Got him in my buddy's Camaro, the LT1 with a cam. He just said, let's go for a ride. So the car's warm, it's up to temp. We're gonna do a quick rip. Just whatever, I don't care.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And this camera's beautiful. Make a U-turn.
At the light.
Yeah, make a U-turn.
I can get used to this.
Chevy power, baby.
Chevy power.
Hey, Frank said it.
So I'm feeding to get my car fixed and finished. Sheet shop's taking so long, man. Do a quick rip. Nice push rod, high rivet motor. What do you shift? A 7?
Shift to 65. Because I only.
Is everything off, like traction control and everything?
No. Hold the off button. Hold it. And this thing will spin if you do like anything less than 50 a second.
It's okay. Am I off?
Yes, now you're off.
Appreciate this, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm telling you, get the AMS oil. It'll fix the gear wind.
Hopefully. I just don't want it to blow up. I don't care if it whines. Too. Hell yeah.
My first time driving this car, the shifter, I gotta get used to it. My first time ever driving.
No, bro, you're shifting fast. You're no-lift shifting, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, quick. Have you driven another Camaro with
No, first time.
Oh yeah?
First time. We'll try a dig. We'll do a dig on the way back. Because if you're in the back, it'll help with the weight transfer. It'll be nice. I think we're gonna hook.
I don't think so.
We're gonna see. We're gonna find out together.
Well, no, just don't crash the car.
Is that rule
if yeah, that's definitely rule number 1.
What's rule number 2?
Run. There shouldn't be a rule number 2.
If we crash, we hit a Corolla. Take one out. Right?
Yeah. Just be careful with this.
Alright, you ready?
Well, hold on. Yeah, I'm filming. Having way too much fun over here. I said that you got loose, huh?
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah, you can't.
Listen, we
there's no
tire pressure. Put a nice fat tire on there. It'll be fine.
Yeah, there's a 305 on there though too. It is very. There's not a lot of tire left, to be honest.
The thing is, these cars make a lot of low end torque, so if your suspension's not set up for it, it's gonna spin.
Well, I guess we didn't get to hear how it whines, but it works.
Before we filmed, it was whining.
Did you hear it whining though?
A little bit, yeah.
Because I from at least back here, you can't hear it. I wasn't recording anything.
You're joking.